Tech talk on measurement of physical parameters like pressure and temperature. Measurement of pressure. A pressure transducer is used to convert a certain value of pressure into its corresponding mechanical or electrical output. Measurement if pressure is of considerable importance in process industries. Types of pressure transducers are Bourdon tubes, diaphragm, piston type pressure transducer, bellows, electrical types pressure sensors, bell gauge, and manometers. These are the following diagrams regarding the classification of transducers. Bourdon tubes, diaphragm type pressure gauge, piston type pressure transducer, and bellows. Electrical type pressure transducers are bell gauge and manometer. Now I am going to explain Bourdon tube pressure gauge. Bourdon tube pressure gauges are used for the measurement of relative pressures from 0.6 to 7000 bar. They are classified as mechanical pressure measuring instruments and thus operate without any electrical power. Bourdon tubes are radially formed tubes with an oval cross section. The pressure of the measuring medium acts on the inside of the tube and produces a motion in the non-clamped end of the tube. This motion is the measure of the pressure and is indicated via the movement. Bourdon tube pressure gauges are developed, qualified, and manufactured to the EN 837-1 standard by WICA themselves. We produce Bourdon tube pressure gauges with various common worldwide measuring ranges, process connections, approvals and nominal sizes. Equally important for a reliable measured value displays the moment. Our Swiss movement mechanisms are not only as precise as a Swiss watch movement, but they are also especially robust and durable. Measurement of temperature. Resistance temperature detector in place of RTD is used for the temperature measurement. The principle of operation of an RTD is that when the temperature of an object increases or decreases, the resistance also increases or decreases proportionally. Platinum, nickel, and copper are the sensing elements. This is the following diagram of RTD two-wire system. Now I am going to explain about RTD two-wire system. The two-wire RTD configuration is the simplest among RTD circuit designs. In this serial configuration, a single lead wire connects each end of the RTD element to the monitoring device. Because the resistance calculated for the circuit includes the resistance in the lead wires and connectors as well as the resistance in the RTD element, the result will always contain some degree of error. The resistance RE is taken from the resistance element and is the value that will supply us with an accurate temperature measurement. Unfortunately, when we take our resistance measurement, the instrument will indicate R total, where RT is equals to R1 plus R2 plus RE. Although the use of high quality test leads and connectors can reduce this error, it is impossible to eliminate it entirely. A larger gauge wire with less resistance will minimize the error. A two-wire RTD configuration is the most useful with high resistance sensors or in applications where a great deal of accuracy is not required.